Embrace a creation like no other, designed to redefine luxury with every milestone. Here's presenting construction update for the month of November 2024 for Kabra Embraze, where Ghatkopar's skyline is being redefined. 3 basements have been completed. From the meticulous craftsmanship of our structures to the seamless execution at every stage. Podium is now a symbol of progress with its completion, a testimony of how progress unfolds with unwavering commitment to quality. First slab is rising with precision and care. Witness the actual 360-degree view from the project, where timeless elegance meets modern comfort. Stay tuned as we continue to bring this architectural marvel to life.